Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Bentley. I hope you've been enjoying homeschool and you've been learning lots of new things. Like I've been learning new things, like how to make this video showing me down here in the corner and my computer screen. So let's just talk real quick about how you're feeling. Maybe because it's snowing and raining today and you can't go outside, you're feeling annoyed. Or maybe it's cool to watch the snow and out the window and cuddle up on the couch. Tell someone at home how you're feeling. Now, I don't know about you, but I've been inside for a lot of days. And I was thinking, I wanted to show you the video about the balloon. Do you remember that one? Here we go. Let's watch it together.
This exercise will teach you how to gain control of your stressful energy when it gets too high to handle. Close your eyes, listen, and follow along. Or keep your eyes open and follow along that way. It's up to you.
Hand on your belly.
Sit tall. You can be on the ground with your legs crossed, or in your chair with your feet flat on the floor. Now imagine that you can look up and see the sky. And up in the sky, way up in the sky, is a balloon. If you'd like, you can choose a color for your balloon. Keep the picture of the balloon in your mind.
Look at it.
The balloon's string reaches all the way down to your hands. Hold on to the string. Imagine that you can feel the pull of that big balloon.
Pull it slow.
Imagine that the wind pushes it from side to side. Or imagine that the wind actually tries to pull the balloon higher into the sky. Maybe you can feel the gentle tugging of the string in your hands. Now try to bring your balloon down. Be careful to go slowly. You don't want the fragile string to break from pulling too hard or too quickly. Take your time.
Pull it down slow.
Imagine that you can gently pull the string, hand over hand. The string collects in a pile at your feet.
Breathe in.
Hand over hand, pull after gentle pull.
Breathe out.
The balloon appears to come closer.
Closer.
It might even become easier to bring it down in your mind as it gets closer to you. Keep bringing it down, closer and closer. Some other strings might be longer or shorter than yours, and that's okay. Just bring it down at your speed. Focus on your balloon. Keep bringing it down. Your colorful balloon may now be within your reach. Pretend that you do not need to use the string anymore. You can actually hold the balloon between your hands. Notice if you can feel the balloon in your hands. Be gentle.
I feel it.
Imagine that with your next out-breath, you can open your hand and release your balloon.
Let it go.
Let it go. Notice in your mind where it goes. It could be different for everyone. Just remain still for a few more moments and watch your balloon drift away.
Okay. Today your writing is, today I saw. So what did you see outside of your window? What movie did you watch? What cartoon? Draw 4 pictures and finish it writing your own sentence. Okay. Have a great day and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.